What is physics? Physics is the branch of science that studies matter, energy, and the fundamental forces of nature. It seeks to understand how the universe works, from the tiniest particles to the largest galaxies, through observation, experimentation, and mathematical analysis. Newton's 3 laws of motion. First law, or law of inertia, an object will stay at rest or keep moving in a straight line at the same speed unless acted upon by an external force. Second law, the force on an object equals its mass times its acceleration. Third law, for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. Example, car movement, rockets, or energy is the ability to do work, and it exists in many forms, including kinetic energy, energy of motion, potential energy, stored energy, thermal energy, heat, chemical energy, stored in molecules, nuclear energy, stored in atomic nuclei. The law of conservation of energy states that energy cannot be created or destroyed, only transformed. Physics describes waves, such as sound and light, with light exhibiting wave-particle duality. There are 2 main types of waves. Mechanical waves, such as sound waves or water waves, require a medium to travel through. Electromagnetic waves, such as light or X-rays, do not need a medium and can travel through space. Thermodynamics studies heat, energy transfer, and how they affect matter. The laws of thermodynamics include energy cannot be created or destroyed, only transformed. The entropy, or disorder, of an isolated system always increases. Absolute zero, or 273.15 degrees Celsius, is the lowest possible temperature. Einstein's theory of relativity explains how space and time are interconnected, and it describes how objects behave at high speeds. It led to the famous equation E equals mc squared, showing the relationship between energy and mass. Quantum mechanics studies subatomic particles and their strange behaviors, including wave-particle duality, uncertainty, and quantum entanglement.